Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel on a Wednesday, and I got a lot of requests for doing updates on news stories. You guys seem to like that, and so I recorded a couple clips for you about some stories that I read today on Amazon. Some big news on Amazon. You'll see in just a second. I figured you guys would enjoy a nice, beautiful Florida sunset, which I'm kind of out here enjoying a little bit. Look at those colors in the sky. It's amazing where we live, out at the pool. Just recording those. My pool's a little bit dirty. I need to vacuum it, get it ready. It rained really bad, so when it rains, stuff comes in from these awesome trees that we have here. You guys can see it. It makes the pool and the hot tub get pretty crazy dirty. But I figured I'd give you guys a nice intro in case you don't live somewhere that has that kind of sunset going on. We get to see it a little bit out of here. But let's jump over to the Amazon news, and I'll share with you guys some big stories from Mr. Bezos and his company. You guys seem to like those updates, so I will do one for you today. Let's jump on over to it. Okay, so kind of an around the world of the news having to do with eBay, Amazon, and some of the other companies that we talk about on this channel. And a huge story today on Amazon is kind of shocking that the US government, this is May 9th, mind you, May 9th, 2018, Amazon was left off of the government's first list of companies approved for drone package delivery. Who has been trying harder than Amazon to get drone delivery to be allowed in the US? Now, obviously, there's a whole lot of obstacles stopping it. But what's crazy is, guess what company got approval as one of the first 10 companies? The company Alphabet, which owns Google. Those of you that don't know, Google Incorporated has a parent company called Alphabet. Now, they did that on purpose, but they got approved to be on the drone package delivery. Guess what other company got approved over Amazon? Guess which company? You guys will never ever believe this. They're called Flirtey, F-L-I-R-T-E-Y, which is partnered with Dominoes. Dominoes Pizza, as in you can get pizza delivered via a drone, but Amazon can't get approved. This is crazy because Jeff Bezos originally had said that drone deliveries could start in 2015, more realistically in 2017, 2018, which is right now. He's close. It's starting, but not ready. It's going to be a few more years if I had to guess. So the FAA, which is the Federal Aviation Administration for the United States, which does all of the flight routes and flight patterns and flight plans for helicopters and planes and air traffic control and all that, is choosing which companies are allowed to do this based on their, the weight of the drone and the height of the drone and the direct eyesight, eye contact of the drone's flight pattern, etc. They denied Amazon. That's crazy. The guy with hundreds of billions of dollars could not get approved, and Google did. And so that's pretty crazy. A lot of other companies are approved over Amazon. And so while it's unfortunate the applications we were involved with were not selected, we support the Trump administration's efforts to create a pilot program aimed at keeping America at the forefront of aviation and drone innovation. Brian Huseman, vice president of Amazon's public policy, said, well, of course, Amazon's continuing to be nice about it because they want to get approved for drone delivery. Look at this picture of this crazy drone that Amazon has created to deliver your package. It's got a box right there. I don't even know what could happen with that, but Jeff Bezos said he was going to start delivering packages within 60 minutes of delivery. Can you imagine ordering something on Amazon and 60 minutes later it shows up at your doorstep? That is absolutely bonkers to think about. But the big story today, Amazon denied. It's a 2.5-year program, so Amazon could get bumped up and approved, in the coming years. For right now, though, Google and Dominoes Pizza at the front of the FAA's drone delivery program. Yes, sir, I'll take my pizza via drone delivery. But no, I can't go on Amazon and get my iPhone charger via drone delivery. Very interesting. So the second story that came out of Amazon today, just as big, Sears, a crumbling company. We all know Sears having huge problems, closed up their Canadian stores, struggling in the US. They have offered to sell Amazon or to sell tires on Amazon. You can order the tires directly through the website, schedule a appointment, and come in and get your tires installed. So that is pretty nuts. So any tires that you go on Amazon and order, Amazon will get its cut, of course. That's a way for Sears. This is very smart for Sears, actually, because think about it. They're going to give up a percentage of the sale in order to be on Amazon's website. So if they sell a tire for $100, they're going to give Amazon $7, $10, $12. But look at the advertising and marketing and coverage they're going to get out to customers who are going to be able to go on Amazon, order their tires, and then drive into the store and get them installed. So very, very good partnership. Good work on Sears's part for doing that. They've already started selling two of its brands, Kenmore and DieHard, which is the batteries, DieHard batteries, and Kenmore appliances. Kenmore makes like your refrigerators. I believe they make stoves and dishwashers. And you'll have to also pay a standard installation fee, of course. But what a great job by Sears to jump on board the Amazon train, and no better way to find customers than through Amazon. And it helped Sears grow today a little bit. They were up 48 cents, up to $3.24 per share. But better late than never. Good job, Sears, on that. And then the third one I'm going to cover is that if you guys didn't know, Amazon raised its Prime fee for year from $99 to $119. It went up $20 annually for Prime customers, which Prime allows you to get the 2-day delivery, free shipping, all that stuff. And 60% of polled customers. Now, I saw a poll the other day on a site that said 50%. This one is saying 60%. And this is directly from Forbes. I mean, a huge worldwide website. Forbes.com saying 60% of Amazon customers will not renew their Prime membership. Now, those of you that don't know, Prime is what keeps Amazon's train chugging along. They're charging currently $99, call it $100, times 100 million subscribers. I don't know if you guys can do the math, but at $1 a person, that's 100 million a month. At $10 a person is $1 billion a month. And at $100 per person is $10 billion a month in revenue. Now that it's gone up to 120, it's $12 billion a month in income for Amazon. That is the equivalent of $144 billion in revenue. I would imagine that is a huge chunk of their revenue. It's got to be like 25% of their income. 60% of Amazon customers will not renew their Prime memberships. Does the difference, those of you that are Prime members, and I'm going to ask this to the audience in the comment section below, please put it. If you are a Prime member, which I am one, and you pay $99 a year for that, is the difference in $99 to $119 to $120, is that going to cause you to cancel your Prime membership? Now, to give you an idea, I save on the shipping and get 2-day from stuff that I order on Amazon, which is probably one item a month. I probably order 10 to 15 items a year on Amazon. In comparison, I order 20 to 30 items a year on eBay. I order at least 2 things a month, if not 3 or 4, every single month on eBay. At least that many. Way more than Amazon. Will that cause you to cancel your Amazon Prime membership? I'm just curious. Put it in the comment section below. This poll from Forbes is saying 60%. I want to say I was reading CNBC the other day, which said 50%. So somewhere between 50 and 60% of people are going to cancel their membership over that $20 a year. The extra, $1.50, $2 a month? Pretty crazy. So Amazon making big moves, making bad moves. I don't know. But for those of you that are big Amazon bandwagon, Jeff Bezos people, that's pretty bad, raising it $20. I don't know if they did it out of necessity or if Amazon raised the price because they just thought they could be greedy and, $20 from 100 million people is a whole lot of extra money. So curious what you guys think. Put it down in the description box, or down in the comment section below. And I'd love to read the comments, and I'd love to respond to as many as I can. So thank you guys so much. That's the world according to Amazon. The news for today. You guys seem to love these videos, so I figured I'd do an update. And I really, really want to do these update videos once a week, so I'll try to get them out for you. I'll do one about eBay, one about Amazon, and maybe one about other, which will include like Poshmark and Mercari and OfferUp and Letgo and that sort of thing. Simply, if not other than to read your comments and see what you guys think, because I love to hear what is on your mind. You guys come here to see what's on my mind, what my videos are about. I want to see in the comment section below what you guys are thinking. So thank you, everyone. Give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates, more videos, more news. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for everything that you do for me. Thank you for the support, and thank you for checking out the description box with all the important links. I appreciate you guys using those, and I've seen an increase in it, so awesome. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time.